What if you could hit the reset button on your body in just 72 hours? Imagine clearing toxins, reducing inflammation, boosting energy, and setting the foundation for long-term health all in a single, science-backed protocol. Today, we're diving deep into how to detoxify your body in 72 hours and reprogram your health, using practical steps that combine cutting-edge research, ancient wisdom, and real-world results. Stick with us until the end, because the final step might be the most powerful and overlooked component of total body rejuvenation. Let's start with the problem. Our modern environment is packed with hidden toxins. From processed foods and sugar to air pollution, plastics, and even stress, our bodies are constantly bombarded. These toxins accumulate in the liver, fat cells, and even our brain, leading to fatigue, poor digestion, inflammation, and premature aging. Research shows that reducing toxin load and supporting your body's natural detox pathways can dramatically improve metabolism, immunity, and mental clarity. But most detox programs fail because they ignore the science of how the body actually cleanses itself. The first pillar of a 72-hour detox is hydration and liver support. Your liver is your body's primary filter, responsible for processing chemicals, drugs, and metabolic waste. To optimize its function, drink plenty of filtered water, herbal teas like dandelion root or milk thistle, and include lemon or lime to stimulate bile production. Adequate hydration ensures toxins are flushed through the kidneys and skin. This step alone kickstarts the detox process within hours, improving energy and mental clarity almost immediately. Next is clean, anti-inflammatory nutrition. Over 72 hours, your meals should focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support cellular repair and reduce oxidative stress. Think leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, fresh fruits rich in antioxidants, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins such as wild-caught fish or plant-based alternatives. Avoid sugar, alcohol, processed foods, and refined carbs. They slow detoxification and increase inflammation. Incorporating herbs like turmeric and ginger amplifies antioxidant effects, helping your body neutralize free radicals while supporting immune function. Fasting or time-restricted eating is another powerful tool in this protocol. Intermittent fasting, even short-term, triggers autophagy, the body's natural cellular cleaning process. During autophagy, damaged cells are broken down and recycled. Toxins are eliminated, and organ systems, including the liver, gut, and brain, get a biological reset. Research from Cell Metabolism and other studies suggests that fasting periods of 12 to 16 hours can activate these pathways, which not only supports detoxification but may slow aging and improve metabolic function. Movement is the third critical pillar. While you don't need intense exercise during this 72-hour detox, gentle activity like walking, yoga, or stretching increases circulation, lymphatic drainage, and oxygen delivery to tissues. The lymphatic system is a major detox pathway, carrying waste away from tissues to be filtered by the liver and kidneys. By moving your body daily, even lightly, you enhance this natural cleaning process. Saunas or steam baths can also support detoxification by promoting sweating, which eliminates toxins stored in fat and skin. Sleep and stress management cannot be overlooked. Detoxification is not just physical, it's biological and hormonal. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, flushes waste from the brain via the lymphatic system, and regulates hormones that control appetite, inflammation, and cell regeneration. Stress, on the other hand, triggers cortisol, which slows detoxification, disrupts digestion, and damages cells. Incorporating mindfulness practices, meditation, or breathing exercises during the detox helps your body stay in a rest and repair mode, amplifying the benefits of food, hydration, and movement. Supplements can play a supporting role, but they are not the foundation. Research-backed options include milk thistle for liver support, chlorella or spirulina for binding heavy metals, and antioxidants like vitamin C and E to neutralize free radicals. These help your body manage the toxin load more efficiently. However, the most critical elements remain hydration, nutrient-rich meals, fasting, movement, and stress management. Everything else is secondary. Here's how a sample 72-hour protocol might look. Day 1. Focus on hydration. Green juices or smoothies, light activity, and early sleep. Begin a mild intermittent fasting window. Include lemon water, dandelion tea, and high antioxidant foods. Day 2. Continue fasting and nutrient-dense meals. Introduce gentle movement or yoga, and supplement with liver-supporting herbs. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and processed foods entirely. Day 3. Emphasize sleep optimization, mindfulness or meditation, and a final nutrient-dense meal to end the fast period. Support detoxification through gentle sweating if possible, and continue hydration. Throughout this period, your body shifts from toxin storage to toxin elimination, inflammation reduction, and cellular repair. Many people report increased energy, improved digestion, mental clarity, and even reduced cravings within the 72 hours. But the real magic happens afterward. By jumpstarting your body's detox pathways, you've effectively reprogrammed your metabolism, liver function, and cellular resilience for long-term health. One of the most exciting aspects of this detox is its effect on metabolic flexibility. By alternating periods of fasting, nutrient-dense eating, and gentle movement, your body learns to efficiently burn fat, manage blood sugar, and reduce insulin spikes. This not only supports weight management but also improves longevity markers like mitochondrial function and telomere health. Essentially, these 72 hours are not just a short-term reset, they provide a biological foundation for a healthier, longer life. Finally, it's important to remember that a 72-hour detox is a kickstart, not a roll. Long-term health requires consistent choices, a nutrient-rich diet, regular movement, stress management, and sleep hygiene. What this protocol does is give you a head start, a powerful, science-backed reset that your body remembers and responds to for days and weeks afterward. It's like hitting the refresh button on your cells, metabolism, and energy levels. In conclusion, a 72-hour detox is a strategic, science-backed way to support your body's natural cleaning mechanisms, reduce inflammation, and reprogram your health. By focusing on hydration, nutrient-dense meals, intermittent fasting, gentle movement, and stress reduction, you create an environment where your body can cleanse, repair, and regenerate at its peak. Thousands of people have experienced life-changing results from short-term detox protocols: more energy, better digestion, improved clarity, and a renewed sense of vitality. If you want to reclaim your health, reset your metabolism, and feel years younger, this 72-hour detox is your starting point. Subscribe to Unlimited Longevity for more science-based strategies to optimize your health, extend your life, and transform your energy from the inside out. Because the truth is clear, your body is capable of incredible regeneration, but it needs the right environment and the right tools to unlock its full potential.